I tell it to teams all the time, momentum takes one play. I mean, that's it. That's all it takes to change it. And, we just, obviously have had some opportunities that, that we've needed to respond in those situations. But I mean, I think from their attitude, their approach, I mean, even there in the locker room, we're all disappointed. As we continue to work and continue to pour into each other and the opportunity we have.
All right. Thank you, Coach.
You are to leave the building by the nearest exit.